everyone, welcome to the channel. For today's card project we are going to be making pocket tags. And a pocket tag is a darling tag that has a little pocket in it so you can tuck in a gift card or tuck in some cash or a love note, whatever you want to do. And so to me these are perfect for making and either adding on a small package or just hanging on the tree and putting the recipient's name on them. And they come together so very quickly, which is one of the best things on it. So I will be making, I have two planned, but if they go fast enough, I'll make a third, just so you have different examples to see. So let's get started. So the first thing I did was take out the snowman tag, and I cut two of them out. And now I'm going to glue them back to back, and that way I have the front of the tag that I need and a nice look to the back of the tag as well. Because in my thoughts, this is something I'm going to hang on the Christmas tree, so I want it to look good on both sides. So now I had cut out the snowman, and I'm just folding the tabs to make the pocket for the gift card or the cash or the note, whatever you want in there. And I decided to add just a little bit of Distress Oxide ink to just add a little shading. As you can see, I'm not doing much, but it just adds a little bit. And then I'll do a little bit on the neckline here too. I'm rediscovering my oxides. I hadn't used them in a while and I forgot how beautiful they are, so now all I ever want to do is use them. And I never got Distress ink, so I might need to do that. So I've got my ink blending done, and now I'm just adhering all the die cut pieces. And so I wanted my snowman to look like the snowman on the pattern paper from Pixi Dust Designs. And this paper's not coming out till Christmas. She sent it to us, but then we couldn't get it in stock for the July release. So this will be coming out this fall sometime. It's just darling paper. It's teals and pinks and blues. So just adding the eyes. It's really simple. The die impresses where everything should go on the snowman, so you can't do it wrong. And if you want to do it your own way, you just flip it over, take a bone folder, smooth out the indentations, and then you can create the face any way you want. So just gluing the eyes together, and then I had taken, you probably couldn't see it, a Copic marker and just gone around the white edges just to make sure the eyes look black. And then you glue the tab to the tag, and it's done. I'm just going to give a couple of rosy cheeks here, and then I will be adding the arms that come. So that's where you slide in the cash or the gift card, whatever you want to do. And so it comes with these cute little arms, and I wanted to add them because I think they're so fun. And that's how easy it is to make this completely adorable gift card. So this is the snowman version. Just love it. And how cute would that be with a little tag or string on the top? Really pretty ribbon or string. It'd be so cute. So now I'm making the Santa. Very similar. So gluing the irises on the eyes, and then the same thing, folding in the tabs. And then I had cut out the tag. Just doing a little bit of ink blending on the top of the tag. That's right, clean up that ink. So now we've got that ready. So now I'm going to glue the pocket onto the tag. And again, the die does a wonderful job. You can see the little indents of where everything should go. So we'll let that glue dry a minute, and now we'll start adding the eyes and aren't they cute? I love that little arch at the bottom of him. It makes it look like he has chubby cheeks. And now we're adding the beard. And then for the cheeks, this is honestly just the nose. And I cut it out of a lighter pink paper. And now that's the mouth. And now I'm adding the mustache and then the nose. Look at how cute Santa is. I just love it. So you can see this is a really basic but fun tag. And now I'm adding the fur trim on his hat. And again, this is a great time to add cute ribbon. So I'm just going to add the little puff on top, and Santa's done. All right, so this is the snowman tag we made together. Super adorable. And I did that using the snowman pocket tag. And remember, here is where the gift card inserts, right in there. Or the note, or the cash, or you don't need to do anything. On this one, was it this one? I had made one, I've already given it away because this guy kind of looks like somebody I know, so I made it to look like him. And I just used it as a tag on a gift, and I didn't make the pocket, I glued it shut up here. So here is the snowman. And this is part of the Christmas release paper. So I made the snowman sort of look like the snowman on the paper. I used the paper, and then he did the pink scarf. So there's that. Then here is Santa. And then I swear this guy kind of looks like a cross between Yukon Cornelius from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and that older Kelsey brother. So made a couple like this. So that's, you know, when I was making this, I'm like, man, this kind of also looks like my son. I bet you I could do, my son is fairer in the hair tone. I could make tags that look like him. So these are super cute. Again, the gift card or the money goes right there. So these hanging, could you just see? I could see loading up a tree with snowmen and Santas with a little something, you know, 20 bucks, whatever, for everybody in there. So that's what I made. So it was the Santa pocket tag and the snowman pocket tag. These are so adorable. I love this one. Look at him. It does kind of look like Yukon Cornelius. But thank you so much for joining us today. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.